Can you lightly clap in front of your nose? In front of your nose.
Oh, I thought you said nuts. How you like that?
Save that one for the outtakes.
All right. Here we go.
That was amazing.
I met Jamie on Facebook, one of the local groups. I asked a question one day and he jumped in and answered and was super helpful and friendly.
I ended up setting up some sort of a light painting workshop, I think it was, if I'm not mistaken. But it was just a general meetup on Facebook. Hey, we're gonna do some light painting. And Mark showed up with that, and we've kind of been hanging out ever since shooting. Mark and I get along really great when it comes to working together on workshops or even just small photo walks because we're two completely different personalities. The people that are more soft-spoken in our groups tend to gravitate towards him, and I can be a little more outgoing, so the loudmouths in the bunch kind of hang out with me a little bit more.
Jamie's personality is awesome. He's so willing to help. He's a natural teacher. And every time I've been to a workshop with him, he's like the light in the room. You know, everybody goes toward it.
Mark and I got started doing workshops when we were both approached by several people within the Olympus community, and everybody wanted to do a workshop up north in Michigan. And Mark and I looked at one another when we were hanging out shooting one day and said, you know, we really should just do this. Let's make a workshop happen.
Coming on a workshop, what they're going to learn is being in the field and being able to have the hands-on experience. You can learn online, but until you can really put it into practice, it's not going to do you a whole lot of good.
I've learned a ton from YouTube, and I continue to learn from videos I see on YouTube. But there's one thing YouTube can't give a workshop attendee. That's the social aspect of it. It's new friends that you gain from hanging out with a bunch of like-minded people, disconnecting from the world around you, and going and sharing those experiences with another group of people. Sure, you can learn at home, but you can't learn at home with a group of people. Your spouse might not like that.
You meet all these people, whether it's online, in person eventually, and it's just awesome the way that everybody connects, everybody's so positive, just so much love goes around.
One of the coolest things I've been able to do with these workshops is introduce people to new things, the Vanguard line, Nisi filters, the Olympus cameras that I shoot with. It's cool to get people who aren't familiar with those products in to see something new. I think the workshops are that cement, that glue that bonds this community together that meets online. Once you get together in real life and have those interactions in real life, that's a bond that just is different than what you would find online, and I think it's a better bond. Get off the couch, get out from behind the computer, go join a workshop, a meetup group, something, get out, be social, go experience the world with other photographers. I guarantee you'll benefit from it.